Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off mouse click sound Windows 11, so you can stop that annoying clicking noise instantly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Windows +S, type Control Panel and open it. Control Panel is where you manage all system settings, including sound options. Step 2. Click Hardware and Sound. This section lets you manage devices, printers, and audio settings, including your mouse sounds. Step 3. Click Sound. In this window, you can adjust all system sounds, notifications, and mouse click sounds. Step 4. Go to the Sounds tab. Here you'll see all system events and the sounds assigned to them, so you can easily control what plays. Step 5. Click the event select for the mouse click sound. This lets you target exactly which sound to change or turn off. Step 6. Open the Sounds drop-down menu and choose None. Selecting None will make your mouse clicks completely silent. Step 7. Click Apply, then OK to confirm the changes. This saves your settings so the clicks won't make any noise anymore. Step 8. Exit all windows. Now your mouse clicks are fully silent in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.